welcome to Sherry's Corner. My name's Sherry. Welcome if you're new, and if you've already watched a couple of videos, I'm glad to have you back. This evening I'm going to be making some pork steak and Brussels sprouts and potatoes all in the same pan. I have an electric skillet, so we're going to try it together. And my seasonings that I use, I make my own seasoning, but I use cumin and turmeric. I just add a little bit of that, but my favorite one is this Greek seasoning. So we're going to add that on there, and then I'm going to cook the pork steak for a little bit at first. Then I'm going to chop up the onion and the potatoes, and then we'll add the Brussels sprouts. Let's get started on making this dinner. Set your temperature to 350 degrees until they're brown on both sides, and then you'll turn it down to 300. And then I've already washed my pork steaks. Wait till you see how big these things are. We'll have 2 tonight, and my husband will have 1 tomorrow. Look how big that is. Those are really big. So I'm going to go ahead and just lay them down. You don't need anything in the bottom of this skillet. It is a Salad Master. I've had it for years, and you don't have to put anything in the bottom of the pan. It just cooks by itself. I'm only going to be able to fit 2 in there. He'll fix that tomorrow for his lunch. So I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric. And then some cumin, just it gives it a little bit of, I just add spices together and create my own thing. Nobody's complained yet. My favorite is this Greek seasoning. I use it on everything. You can just add a little bit at a time. And then I'll just flip them. I only put the turmeric and the cumin on one side because I think sometimes you can overpower with those two. And then I will season this side with the Greek. It comes out slow. Okay. Then while you can hear that, while that is cooking, I'm going to put the lid on so it can start to get cooking by itself. I'm going to go ahead and slice up my potatoes. The onion I won't chop. What we'll do is we'll just lay it in there. It kind of helps tenderize the meat. I'll put the lid on this. We'll let that cook for about 20 minutes. I'll turn it again, and then I'll check it, and then we'll put in the vegetables. Okay guys, it's been about 25 minutes. See how brown, and I turned it a couple of times. Ooh, it's steaming hot. Right there, it's all brown. And now we're gonna add the potatoes. I just put them on there. Since it's just my husband and I, we don't need that many potatoes. And then I'm going to add 1 package of Brussels sprouts. And all we do for the Brussels sprouts is I just season them with some of that Greek seasoning and the potatoes as well. I just do this in my hand. I don't want to get too much and sprinkle that on there. Put the lid on it. And this has a timer, and I'm going to set it for 30 minutes. Actually, I'm going to take that back. I'm going to set it for about 25 minutes, since we've already cooked the meat for 25 minutes. And then we will show you the finished product when it's done. Okay guys, here we go. This is dinner for tonight. Pork steak and Brussels sprouts and potatoes. See, they're done. They fall apart. Love Brussels sprouts. My potatoes are brown. The meat is done. Got all that juice on there. One hot meal. Okay, that's it for dinner tonight.